Welcome to the course on hands-on deep learning with Caffe2. Here's the course introduction. My name is Kyle. I have a background in deep learning and computer vision. I have several years experience in research and development using deep learning. I'm also early adopter of Caffe2. Here is the overview of this course. At the beginning, we are getting started with Caffe2. Specifically, we will work with Caffe2 in Google Cloud Platform. And then we will jump into learning basic elements in Caffe2 as well as building blocks for training models in Caffe2. We will learn supervised learning and transfer learning. We will learn how to fine-tune a model to recognize fashion products from images. After that sections, we will learn sequence-to-sequence learning. We will learn training RM models to write like a Shakespeare. In the sections of reinforcement learning, we will learn training a deep Q network to play with the couple game in the OpenAI gym. In the final section, we will learn running AI in your hands. We will deploy an object recognition systems on an Android phone. This course would require the understandings on linear algebra and Python, Java, C++, and C. The goal of this course is to learn what deep learning works can be done with Caffe2. Let's begin the course.